exam, but people kept getting the wrong idea. This is my partner, Michael. Well, he's not my partner, but my partner. Michael is my partner. You ready to get started? You understand what happens if you fail to pass this?
Yes.
Good. We will start with the safety demonstration examination. Ready? Okay.
Okay.
Your seatbelt should be fastened at this time. To fasten your seat, Michael. You doing okay over there? Your seatbelt should be fastened at this time. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle. Adjust by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift up on the buckle to release. It is the airline's policy that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while seated. Thank you. Oxygen masks. Should oxygen be needed, a mask will appear from the compartment above your seat. Pull the mask to your face and place it over your mouth and nose, securing it with elastic bands. Even though oxygen is flowing, the bag may not inflate. If you are traveling with someone needing assistance, no. Put on your mask first and then assist others. Michael, will you please join us to this last one? A safety information card with more detailed instructions regarding this aircraft is located in your seat pocket. Thank you, Michael.
Did I do something wrong?
No. Let's move on to the public address section. You only have to do one. Please leave the address regarding Life Vest. Use Michael as your partner. I do. Focus. And whenever you are ready.
Okay, Life Vest. The Life Vest is located in the compartment below or behind your seat. To remove the Life Vest from the container, you are going to unlatch all of the latches.
Clementine.
Yeah.
I can see you are a bit nervous. Yes. Here, I will do it, and then you will try again. All right? Terrific. Your life vest is located in the seat, beneath or between the seats. To remove life vest from the container, pull the red strip. Pull the white strip to open plastic package and remove vest. Pull the vest over your head and place the arms with the straps on each side. Pull the straps firmly down to extend back. You're up.
The life vest is located in the compartment below or behind your seat. You're seeing spots, you're swimming, you're galloping on a horse and it's raining, it's coming monster, there's birds.
Clementine, he is giving you everything you need, plus more. Thank you, Michael. Your work and artistry is always appreciated. We will now move on to live scenario testing. I am sure you passed this in initial flight training, did you not? All right. Your scenario. Mr. James. Mr. James, passenger in seat 7C, has passed away. What are you going to do to comfort the old woman next to Mr. Jenkins? Michael, You will be Mr. Jenkins.
I will be the old woman. Are you ready?
Yes.
I was talking to Michael. Aneurysm?
Ladies and gentlemen, do not panic! There is a bomb on this plane! My assistant here will help you to protect the fortress around this bomb. We are building a bomb stack. Now, you need to get out of the way of this bomb area so that we can build a protected fortress. And I need to borrow your scarf. This is where the bomb is located, everybody, right there. Ma'am, you seem distraught. Let me get you a complimentary beverage. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a bomb on the screen right in control. If you need distraction, you can put on complimentary headphones. One more insight movie which is Tash Adams from Academy Award winner Robin Williams. Ma'am, you are okay. I'm in control, and you are safe. Ma'am, you still seem distraught. Let me get you a complimentary snack. Ladies and gentlemen, this bomb is acting at any moment. I need you to follow my directions carefully. Bend over, head down. Bend over, head down. Stop. Just stop it. Stop, stop, stop. In the case that a passenger, such as Mr. Jenkins, should pass away during flight, you simply take the blanket, put it over the body of the deceased, and buckle them in. Good job!
The bomb was in his brain, not on the plane.
Oh.
Michael, Harriet, please excuse us. Clementine! You know you have failed the written exam. You know you have failed the verbal exam. You just failed the scenario. But you did do something right. You risked everything, including embarrassment, to ensure the safety of the passengers and crew of this aircraft by building the perfect bomb stack. And in these times, that is the most important thing. Congratulations, you passed.